If you're speaking and you want to add music to your reel, it could be overpowering. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume levels so that you can have your voice louder and your music nice and quiet. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! So to adjust volume to your clips, you want to click on the clip or the audio track where you want to adjust the volume, and then you can click on the volume and then you can move it up or you can move it down. You also have this option for fade in and fade out. And so what this does is it allows the music to go from quiet to loud and then from loud to quiet. And this is just indicates how long that fade in or fade out will be. See here, that fade and the fade out from that music. You can tell exactly where it fades in and fades out, just so you can adjust it however you want it, which is really cool with the curve. The length of time you're going to be able to do that fade depends on how long the song is. If it's too short on either side, you're not going to be able to have a longer fade. If you want to add some of these sound effects, just make sure that nothing is selected, so nothing has yellow on it, and then click sound effects, and then you have a bunch that you can use to make your videos more dynamic. And you can reduce the sound on those two just so they're not as abrupt, or you can have them on full volume. If, let's say for example, we want to have us talking and we want the music for the entire time, say I don't want this to fade out, I want the music and the voice to blend, let's get rid of that fade out. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to change that volume of that music. When you're changing the volume of the music when you already have you talking in the video, then I suggest putting it down to between 2 and 7. I wouldn't put it much past 7 because then it gets really loud and overpowering and it'll be harder to hear you, so keep it a little bit lower. Also, when you're choosing which music to use when you're doing voiceover or you're talking in the video, make sure that the music doesn't have singing or vocals to it, because the two audios, the speaking and the lyrics, can be very conflicting and it'd be hard to hear one over the other. So I suggest picking a song that has more instrumentals in that case. Do you have any reel questions? If so, let me know in the comments because I use those to come up with new video ideas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace!